So if you want to go ahead and let's say, for example, delete out your Qwen account for good, then you can actually do that by going around onto your profile right here and then by going onto settings. So if you're absolutely sure that you don't want anything saved for privacy reasons and want to delete your account, then only be sure to do this. So now once I am in the setting, I can go around onto account, and here you can see that delete account is an option. So from here, simply click on delete account and then click on confirm right here. And once you do that, the account will simply be deleted, as you can see right here. So now you can see that I'm on the Qwen website, but I'm actually signed out. So if I were to actually go ahead and log in, so let's say, for example, let's just go ahead and utilize the same account. It says the account you provided is not registered. So you have to re-sign up if you want to start signing in and then start using Qwen by a sign-in account. So I need to go around on to sign up, or I can continue out with Google as well, and then I can go ahead and re-register my Qwen account right here. So let me just go ahead and continue, or you can go ahead and then let's say sign up right here. So let's just sign up with this particular password itself, and then go ahead and create out an account right here, just like this, and you can re-register out as you want. So that is how you can delete out your account entirely in Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe